Hello everyone, welcome to ABC tutorial, and this is Reza with you, and this is actually the part number 23 of point of sale and inventory management system and super shop management system. So in this tutorial I'm usually showing you the point of sale and stock management system. So this tutorial is in 23 part right now, so 22 part already published in my channel, so you can check out the previous videos if you want to learn full series. So you need to know all the things, so you have to see all the videos from starting. So now today I will start from last day's ending. So since last day's video I show you that how you can okay, let me go to the invoice page. So since last video I shown you that how you can add dynamically rows in invoice page, then how you can load the product, and how you will load only stock in product, right? The product which is stock right now and which is existing in stock. So if this product stock is 0, then it will not show in this list. So this is a condition what I shown you in last video. So if you see last video, then you can understand today's videos properly. So now in today's videos my target is to show you how you can how you can add product. Already you adding product, but when you are clicking on the product, then category of this product, cost of this product, I mean sales price of this product will show here automatically. From where it will come from? Stock table, actually product stock. So in product stock the product sales price is 1200 and product quantity is more than 0. So product sales unit cost will show here 1200, and quantity by default dollars I will show one quantity, and total will be calculated depending on the unit cost multiplied by quantity. All right, so then subtotal, discount and VAT and total amount will be calculating proportionally. So just keep watching. So I'm moving to the Visual Studio. So till this part already done, when we will click multiple times, all the rows will be adding in our list, and then we will select the product. Okay, so now if I'm moving my Visual Studio, so I'm going to invoice.cs HTML page. This all are already I written since last video. So you know the model will be dynamic, I mean from ngrepeat card.cardpin. This is a like a temporary variable what we taking for each loop. So this card dot product ID, see here, card dot category name, card dot unit price, and the card dot quantity, card dot the value. Since last video value was not showing here in value section, so today I will show you. So here I will add a ng-click event. Okay, so in JavaScript what will be actually happen in realistically, when we will click this drop down, then here category price will show. Okay, so for that reason we have to add a method or function for working when we will select on this drop down. Okay, so where is our drop down? This is our drop down product drop down actually. So in product drop down we added a ng-click event. This is Angular JS event, click event, like jQuery on click event equal. This is actually this is the same as like jQuery on click event. Okay, so this is ng-click for Angular JS, and we will write a method, so method or function. So I'm just copying and I'm just putting a name, set value of product. Okay, so set value of product. So here that this is the method name, and I will write this method name here, and from here what will be passing through the method, we will pass product ID through this method as a parameter. Okay, so this is the model mean for Angular JS, this card.product ID, this model will carry this drop down value. When we will click in drop down, then we will find this value in card.product ID. So I am passing this card.product ID to the set value of product method in JavaScript. So here we will get product ID, right? Here we will get product ID. Now just removing everything. So I'm just assigning a variable to, I'm just putting a name data object obj, and I'm from here just assume that when I will click on Samsung, then just Samsung, the value of Samsung product, okay, Samsung S71 product is selecting in this model. That means product ID only selecting, and this product ID I am passing. So using this product ID, I will fetch the product object, full product object from product list. Already product list is available in our scope, right? In Angular JS, you know, this is scope. When we define a scope inside the controller, inside this controller, home invoice controller, inside this home invoice controller, we can pick this scope variable anywhere from any corner of this page. Okay, that's why I will pick product list. I will pick only single product what we selected, single product object from the product list. So for this we have to add a filter. Okay, so I will add a filter here, filter. So just copy this filter, filter, sorry, scope dot. Now this filter only for we will just doing filter on product list. So I'm keeping this product list, comma, second bracket, the ID, property of this object, so by which we will filter using this property. Okay, this property mean in product list we have product ID, right? Product list mean this list, in this list we have this product ID, so we will filter using this product ID, colon, first. So this product ID, so this product ID we selected, it will come through this function as a parameter, and using this product ID we will filter out the product object from this list. Okay, and the position from the position 0. Okay, so now if I just check, for checking, just how you can show your inspect element, Control Shift I, or you can right button, click on right button, and then you can click here, and source script, because our script is inside the script folder and home folder. Okay, so script and home controller. If I click here, right, so it's never changed yet, but see, product 1 is selected. If I go forward, see, using the product 1, it's filtering the object. See, only single object is coming. Category ID is this, category name Samsung S71, product ID. That means it's working properly. And now when we just assume things that when we click here, a row is added, right? The row is added means one row is added here. So we will update all the data on this same row, right? So that means the row which is blank, we will update the data to this row. That means now it's all blank. When we are clicking on this, then this row's item is Samsung, and all are the proportionally cost and total will be calculated. Okay, so here I will click. When I will select here, it will show here. So for this I will pick the index of this. I mean, when I added the row, I will pick the index of this row. Okay, index scope dot, so we added row in this list. Okay, so I will add it dot find index. Find index is a JavaScript method. So I will select product ID. See here, from this list, find index product ID equal to item. Sorry, item, not item, this product ID. So what already we clicked, right? Already we clicked. When it's blank, already we clicked. That means already it's product ID is setted background. So which product is we select, this product ID will come here, and we will filter the we will take the index of this product ID from the invoice card. Okay, here is the index is storing. Okay, This is completely JavaScript concept, so if you are good in JavaScript, so it's very easy to you. Now I will set values to the scope. Okay, scope. So I'm just copying the scope from here. Card index. So our value will be index. I mean, from this array we will pick only this positions value, and we will set category name as a data object equal dot category name. Okay, sorry, the category name we found from the background. Okay, all right, so it's done. That means in the position of selected product, we just push the category name to the invoice card arrays specific index. Okay, so now I'm just reloading the page. Select. If I select Samsung, it should show here a mobile. Okay, see here it's showing mobile, but unit cost is not showing, so we will set unit cost. All right, so unit cost will be unit cost. Okay, so unit cost. But in with the product, when we loading the product, see, when we selecting, I mean when we loading the product, we never selected product price. Okay, so I'm just selecting the product price here. prd dot sales. Not PRD, it will be stock dot price. Purchase price one, another is sales price. So is there anything needed? So sales price and purchase price already returning, that means returning. So, and category name is returning. If I run the project, so now with the product, the purchase price and sales price is coming. So if I just put the sales price here in unit price, I will put sales price. Okay, so see 1200 is showing, mobile category is showing, and 1200 is showing, and quantity always I am keeping quantity 1 by default, but the total is not showing. So in that case we have to provide the value for line total. Okay, so line total value will be sales price multiplied by quantity. All right, line total will be this unit price, I mean this unit price multiplied by this quantity. right? So if I reload the page, just select Samsung, see it's 1200. Okay, so if I change it to 2 but it's not changing, so in that case I will add another method. On change line total set. Okay, so everything will be removed. I will just keep it. Okay, no, I will keep all these things as well. No need to set this index position is required, because any specific position I will put the value. And index unit, price and quantity. So I will also delete this. Now if I check, I will check this is added. Okay, it's not working properly when I am in debug mode. So if I change, it's not changing because this method should be placed in on change mode. So when our quantity will be changed in quantity, when we will change the quantity, then ng change of, what is the method name? So if I select and if I change 3, it's not working, so I need to check it's calling or not. So I click 4, that means product ID is not coming here. So product ID is already selected, so that's why product ID will not come as a parameter. Okay, so product ID will be okay selected, but we should pass this product ID, card.product ID. If I reload, now I check, this change is reflecting here. Okay, if I click, if I change, if I just put it to product ID 1, product ID 1 is in 0 position, and in 0 position it should be 1200 into 2, I mean 2400. So if I just, yes, now it's working. If I just give it 36,100, if I put it 1, it's 1200. Okay, so now it's working properly, right? because we make another method and we just put it to the ng change position of the quantity. Okay, so now if I will add the row how many I needed. Okay, just I will change the quantity. So now it's almost done. See here, if we select, our cost is coming here, and sales price is coming here. If we change the quantity, it's changing. If we change quantity, it's changing. So in next video I will show you the discount, VAT things, and how we will save all this data into the database. So next part is the very exciting and very exciting part for ending the invoice. So actually this invoice is very important part of this inventory management system, and even when we will select and when we will sell any product, then product will be removed, decrease from the stock table. So this is very exciting things. So keep subscribe and keep watching and waiting for the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.